Hello friends, if you want to score 100% marks in B1 lesson, then follow these effective tips and tricks. In B1 lesson, you will get 65 minutes. In all, there are 5 tiles. All 5 tiles are compulsory. There is no negative marking in B1 lesson. And 60% marks are passing marks. Tips and tricks. My tip number 1. Attempt tile 4 first. That is Jana in Frage. Number of questions are 7. Attempt tile 3. 10 advertisements are given. Number of questions are 8. One answer is always 0. My tip number 3. Then attempt tile 2. Number of questions are 6. Paragraph A and paragraph B are given. First question you have to solve in the last, and second and third you have to solve first, as first question based on the summary of the paragraph. Tip number 4. Attempt tile 5. Number of questions 4. Take out or understand the keywords in the questions and read the respective paragraph. In the last, attempt tile 1 as it is time consuming. Number of questions 6. Richtig oder falsch.